Welcome to Tony's Tech Blogs unboxing. Today we are unboxing ASUS N56VZ multimedia laptop. So welcome, and here we have the box ASUS N series N56VZ multimedia laptop. It got 8 gigs of RAM, Ivy Bridge i7 processor. Here we can see model number. Here up here reads notebook PC and ASUS logo. And here at the side we have some barcodes and ASUS Nordic AB and Intel logo. So let's take our epic unboxing knife here and cut through these stickers or tapes. Just like this. Come on. Just like this, and now we are ready to unbox. Just open it up here. Okay, I think yes, I need to turn this around, put it on the table like this now, and let's open it. And the first thing what you're gonna see is this gray cardboard. It got ASUS and Bang & Olufsen. They developed together sound system. Open this box from here. We can see a computer laptop inside here. It's inside white bag. So let's take it away from there. Just like this. Got this black look, kind of wooden look. Looks quite amazing. Yeah, put it on the side now and let's check out what we have more here inside the box. Let's take this gray cardboard away from here. Put it away like that. And here we have some user manuals and drivers and etc. This is warranty information. Let's put it aside, nothing special. Here we have drivers for our laptop, put it on the side now. Here we have more guarantee information, put it on the side. Nothing special here. Now let's see our user manual. Let's take this plastic away like this. Comes quite easy, but I need to use my unboxing knife to get it away. Let's put that plastic up there. Here we have microfiber cleaning cloth. It's always nice to have ASUS logo up here. Put it on the side now. Here we have user manual. Check it out, every information about your laptop. Let's put it aside now. Here we have cable tie, which ASUS includes in every laptop what they make. Okay, it's nice. Put it on the side. Here we have our battery. Let's take it out of this plastic bag like this. It's easy to take away, nothing special. Like this. It is 5200 milliamp hour battery, as you can see here, with 56 watts. Okay, looking nice. Put it on the side there. And here we have our charging module. Quite big, but not so big like in G75VW. Put it on the side now. And here we have more cable, charging cable actually. Just open it up like this. Okay, nice. So this other side goes into your charging module and this goes on the wall. And down here inside the white bag we have Sonic Master subwoofer, which is a nice add-on to your laptop. Gives nice bass to your music and your games and movies. Here we can see it's Sonic Master subwoofer. Let's put it on the side now. Let's check out what ports we have in this ASUS N56VZ computer. First we have Kensington lock for your security. Then we have power port or your charging port. Then we have Blu-ray, DVD station, 2 USB 3.0 ports, audio in port and audio out port. And on the other side you got your subwoofer port first here. Then you got your VGA port here. And this big thing is ventilation system. And here we have this LAN port, and this is HDMI port. This is USB 3.0 port, and here we got USB 3.0 port 2, which you can charge your mobile device when your computer is sleeping mode. And in front here we got 3-in-1 memory card reader which read SDMS and MS Pro memory cards, and let's put it on the table and look what's inside. And now we open it like this. Okay, let's take this white bag away and put it on the side for now. Looking quite nice, and it's not so surprised that ASUS won Red Dot 2012 Design Award with this design. You got your grills here, and on the other side you have the same kind of grills integrated on the computer. This device got Intel Core i7 Ivy Bridge processor, NVIDIA GeForce 650M graphics card and Windows 7 Home Premium. And up here we have HD webcam, which is able to record 720p HD. Here we got 15.6-inch Full HD display with backlit keyboard, and here we got power button and here instant on button. Thanks for watching our unboxing video, and big thanks to ASUS Finland for hooking up this computer, and follow us on Twitter at Tony's Tech Blog and in Facebook Tony's Tech Blog. Remember to subscribe, and thank you for watching.